All right guys, today we're at my buddy Brian's shop. It's called Eastside Speed Shop here in Woodinville. Today what we're doing is installing the Timbren Active Off-Road Bumpstops. The wheels are off, we're ready to get started. I'll kind of show you guys what it's for, how it goes in, how simple it is. It should be like a 30-45 minute thing. This is the factory one that comes on the truck. So basically, imagine the axle's right here. All you're gonna be doing is removing these 4 bolts and washers on the bottom. This guy will come off, plate will come down. You're gonna remove these almost U-bolts right here. This guy will come out. So this is basically what we're replacing. This is gonna be the factory off-road bump stop. Once you lift your truck, it's no good, it's too short. So what we're replacing it with is this U-bolt flip kit from Timbren. And then from there, we're gonna be adding in these off-road bump stops. So if you look at the difference between these, you'll notice this one's a lot taller, but also a lot thicker. So if you actually end up jumping your truck or flexing your truck a lot, these will help protect your rig a lot more than these ones will. All right, so we're gonna assemble the rear bump stop before we actually put it on the rig. So it's pretty well laid out for you. It seems pretty basic. All you're gonna do is put this little plate on the bigger plate, lock it in. From there, you have an Allen key bolt that's gonna slide through the bottom. From there, there's already a washer already in the bump stop. You're gonna put this cone through there, bump stop on top, and put a nut through, and then you're good to go. Once that's done, we'll put it in the rig with the U-bolt flip kit like that. All right guys, so these are the factory bump stops for the front. These are the Timbrens. You'll notice they're a lot bigger because when you raise your vehicle, you need more room for bump stop. So what you do is you just put a vise on here. There's a nut under here, you just twist it off. From there, you'll take front bump stop, take little cone here, boom, and just thread it. There's a welded nut inside here. So all you do is thread the rubber part up, and then you've got an Allen inside to torque it all down. So we got the factory bump stop off. Those 4 bolts, drop the plate, good to go. With this one, we're just gonna slide this bump stop on top. There's a little hole for the center pin of the leaf. Once that's centered, you'll feel it. You're gonna take your U-bolt, slide it up and underneath. It'll come through and put the 4 washers and nuts on top. Once that's done, re-torque everything, make sure everything's nice and tight and sturdy. Then you're ready to wheel.